Bob, a data analyst, received an urgent email from his manager Tom asking him to incorporate this messy Excel file into a dashboard for a meeting in 2 hours. After opening the file, he's realized it's just a chaotic jumble of data and complex formulas. With time running out, Bob's managed to clean it up into some of these key figures, but he's struggling to import the data into Power BI. Lucky for Bob, that's what today's video is about. Hi, welcome back to our Power BI Basics, where we're teaching you how to use Power BI one small step at a time. Today we're going to be showing you how to import data from this Excel file into Power BI using Microsoft Power Query. Let's get started. First, we're going to open up Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop will take probably a few seconds to open, depending on the speed of your computer. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Blank Report. Then we're going to click Get Data, and we're going to click Excel Workbook. Alternatively, you can also click the Excel Workbook shortcut right here. Once this opens up, you're then going to select your Excel file, and then you're going to select the sheet that your data is on. In this case, I'm going to import our sales data. Power BI is smart enough to recognize that the first row is most likely your column headers, but you can edit this in Power Query. For now, I'm going to enter into Power Query by clicking Transform Data. Once I'm in Power Query, I can see the steps that Power Query has applied. First, it's recognized the path of the Excel file. Then it's navigated to the appropriate sheet. Then finally, promoting headers, and then changing the data types to a data type that makes sense. If I want to import a secondary sheet from this Excel file, I can now click New Source, Excel Workbook, select the same Excel file, then click Open, and then select the data with the additional sheet. Or if I had multiple tables on the same sheet, select the same sheet and then that table and click OK. You will now have a query named after each tab or sheet that you imported data from. To finalize importing the data into Power BI, click Close and Apply. And you'll see the data loading, and that's it. Loading data from Excel into Power BI is easy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you're interested in learning more about Power BI, please subscribe. We're releasing a small short Power BI tutorial every single day.